This YouTube channel has gained millions of subscribers by posting simple, Stickman animation videos, and most of their uploads get millions of views. A lot of people think, I'm not an animator, so I can't make videos like this. I used to think the same. But with this AI workflow, you can create the same style of videos in just a few minutes for free. First, go to Pinterest and search for Stickman character. Download any character you like. Then open ChatGPT, paste the topic prompt, and choose one of the viral video ideas it generates. Next, paste the master prompt into the same chat. Set your video duration and insert your chosen topic. ChatGPT will instantly create the full script, image prompts and animation prompts for every scene. Now open Google Flow, upload your Stickman character, choose Nano Banana 2, paste the image prompt, and generate the scene. Repeat this for all scenes. To animate them, open a generated image, click Animate, select Omni Flash, set the duration to 10 seconds, paste the animation prompt, and generate the video. Repeat for the remaining scenes. After that, generate the voiceover script in ChatGPT. Copy it into a text-to-speech tool like Google AI Studio. Choose a voice and download the audio. Finally, import all the animated clips and the voiceover into your editing software. Sync the clips with the narration and export the video. That's it. Your Stickman animation video is ready.
Why so many people never reach their goals? It's usually not because they're lazy or untalented. Most people simply give up long before success has a chance to appear. At the beginning, motivation feels exciting. You make big plans, buy new notebooks, or watch inspiring videos. But when things become difficult, that excitement quickly fades away. The problem isn't a lack of talent, it's expecting fast results. When progress feels slow, many people wrongly believe they're failing. Successful people think differently. They focus on showing up every single day. Even when they don't feel motivated, small actions, repeated consistently, slowly become big achievements. Instead of chasing perfection, focus on consistency. One small step every day is far more powerful than one perfect day that never happens. So here's today's challenge. Forget about being perfect. Just take one small action toward your goal today. Your future self will thank you.
If this helped you, subscribe for more viral AI workflows, hidden prompts, and content ideas that are working right now.